Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you exactly how to fix the "We disabled your account Facebook 180 days" issue. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Then in the search bar type Facebook Help Center and press enter. Now click on the first link that appears in the search results. This will take you directly to the Facebook Help Center. Next, use the search bar in the Help Center and type Facebook disabled to find relevant information. After that, click on the option that says My Personal Facebook Account is Disabled. If a prompt appears asking if this was helpful, click No. This will allow you to provide further feedback. Now click on the option that says the solution doesn't work. Here you need to type a report explaining your issue. You can write something like this: My Facebook account has been disabled for 173 days, and my request for a review has not been accepted. Please help me resolve this issue and reach out to me as soon as possible. Once you're done, send the report. Next, open a new tab in Google Chrome. Now search for Facebook feedback in the search bar. Then click on the first link that appears in the search results. Here select Login under the Product or Feature section. Now in the feedback section, type something like I cannot log into my Facebook account as it is temporarily down. Please assist me with this issue as soon as possible. Finally, click Send to submit your feedback to Facebook. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.